For centuries, we believed we were merely tenants in a universe that existed long before us and would continue long after, indifferent to our presence. We saw reality as a cold, hard machine, solid, predictable, and entirely separate from our thoughts. But thanks to the relentless pursuit of clever scientists and the deep wisdom of spiritual masters, you are no longer trapped by your current circumstances. Quantum physics stumbled upon a truth so profound it sounds like poetry. The universe does not happen without you. There is an invisible electric bridge between the subatomic world and your own consciousness, and understanding it is the key to reclaiming your power when the world feels like it's falling apart. In the early 20th century, the double slit experiment changed everything. Scientists found that light and matter can exist as both particles, solid points, and waves, spread out possibilities. The jaw-dropping moment? When researchers tried to watch which path a particle took, the particle changed its behavior. The act of observing the experiment literally collapsed the infinite possibilities of the wave into a single, solid reality. In physics, this is known as the observer effect. It suggests that at the most fundamental level, the stuff of the universe is just a shimmering field of potential, a probability wave, until a conscious observer looks at it. The moment you measure it, you freeze it into form. If the universe at its smallest level is waiting for an observer to choose its state, then reality is not a fixed movie we are watching. It is a clay we are molding. Spirituality has called this manifestation for millennia. It is the belief that your internal state, your vibration, your intention, your focused awareness, is the measuring device of your life. Physics says, the act of observing collapsed infinite possibilities of a wave into a single, solid reality. Spirituality says, your attention collapses the infinite potential of what could be into what is. When these two worlds overlap, we realize that we are not victims of circumstance. We are active participants in a grand, cosmic feedback loop. The universe is a mirror, reflecting back not who you want to be, but the frequency of the observer you are currently being. This is where the fear of manifesting the bad stuff turns into the ultimate relief. When you are going through quote-unquote tough times, financial strain, heartbreak, or a sense of being lost, it is easy to feel that reality is a solid, unchangeable wall. But quantum physics tells us that even the darkest wall is made of atoms that are 99.99% empty space and infinite potential. If you are constantly manifesting everything you see, it means you hold the remote control. If your current situation is painful, please remember, reality is fluid. It is not stuck. It is a series of now moments being collapsed by your focus. The wave is still there. Just because you see a particle of struggle right now doesn't mean the wave of abundance has vanished. It is still there, in superposition, waiting for you to shift your gaze. Observation is a choice. By consciously choosing to observe the possibility of a solution rather than the certainty of the problem, you begin to tilt the quantum scales. You are not a small person in a big world. You are the consciousness that gives the world its shape. Every time you find a reason to feel hope in the middle of a storm, you are literally performing a quantum miracle. You are telling the field of infinite potential, I choose this version of reality. The universe isn't just watching you, it's waiting for you to tell it what it's supposed to be. If this video was helpful and brought you some clarity, a like and a subscription are the best ways to stay informed with us.